Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile in 2026 and how to enable Roblox voice chat on both Android and iPhone devices. Okay, let's get started. First open your Roblox app and now tap on profile icon and or tap on more option, scroll down, then tap on help and safety option and again tap on help option. Okay, now tap on search bar, search now Roblox voice chat and tap on Roblox voice chat, scroll down, then tap on how I to turn on voice chat option and scroll down and tap on need more help contact support here and now contact information. First username, tap on username and tap on first name and tap on email address and tap on confirm email address scroll down, tap on device type option, select your device, my device Android phone, tap on help category type, scroll down and tap on technical support. Please describe your issue. Now enter your problem here and hello Roblox support team, I am having a problem with Roblox voice chat on my mobile device. The voice chat option is missing or not working properly on my account. I have already updated the Roblox app, verified my age and enabled microphone permissions, but the issue still continues. Please review my account and help fix the voice chat features and tap on help subcategory type option and select experience issue and tap on continue option and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and now share, comment here.